Welcome here at Calibags Kenya if you're looking for a sustainable and functional bag that solves your needs today. This video is all about the Dari Rooftop cargo bag, where you get to find out more about the bag and even get a full quick demonstration on how you will install it without a roof rack or roof rails. Before we get started, let's find out what you get inside the kit when you buy it. You get a storage bag, a roof bag, door hooks, adjustable door straps, and an anti-slip mat. The first step you'll take is placing your anti-slip mat at the top of your car. Before you do so, ensure your car is dry. This mat is meant to prevent any slips whether you're driving at a high speed, on a bumpy road, or whether you're in that harsh stormy weather. Next, you want to place the cargo bag on the anti-slip mat and unzip to start loading. The ideal catch of this bag is that it's waterproof, tear-proof, and very easy to install at the same time remove when you're done with your trip. At the same time, it is very versatile and can fit in any type of vehicle you choose to use. Today, I'll be fitting in 4 duffel travel bags, a laptop bag, a backpack, and a few wash bags. If you like any of the pieces that you're seeing today, you can head to our website at calibags.com to get yours. Pull the flap over to cover your belongings and close the zipper, and make sure you secure the zipper with the Velcro tags you will see around the bag. After you've packed everything you need, you are now going to fix your door hooks onto your car. You want to pull the weather seal back gently and place one of the included door hooks on the metal frame. Next, fasten all the buckles by simply passing the strap through the loops of the hooks. As you can see, when we open the window and shut it, the hooks are safely secured on the car, and they will act as an anchor to the cargo bag and hold that bag to your car without any worries of falling or slipping while you're driving. Now that everything is packed and set to go, you are ready for that trip, having no worries about fixing everything in the back of your car. Be sure to reach us or click the link in the description box to visit our website if you'd like a purchase. Thanks for watching.